Alright, so we're going to talk about sit-ups. I'm using some dumbbells to anchor my feet, and you can play around with that angle, the distance from your feet to your butt. The closer your feet are to your butt, the harder the sit-up will be. So I would say get your knees about a 90-degree angle further away from your butt. It'll make it a little easier. We're going to start off with the sit-up. You can use your hands. As you can see, I'm not whipping my hands down to bring my body up to my knees. I'm using slow and controlled up and slow and controlled down. Next, I'm going to show you whipping my hands using momentum, whipping it up, slow and controlled down, whipping it up, slow and controlled down. So that motion isn't wrong. You're just not recruiting your abdominals to sit your body up. You're using the momentum of your hands. And here's crossing your hands over your chest. This is a good way to prevent yourself from using your arm momentum to get yourself into the top position. It's better than putting your hands over your head and pulling on your neck. Now, to show from a different angle, I'm going to show you a rotational sit-up or a twisting sit-up. You're just reaching your hands or your elbows to one side of the knee.